preparing for the CAT exam must be aware about all the IIMs and the famous colleges. But there are a few colleges that come under the Delhi University that a lot of students miss out on. As you all know that CAT is a very unpredictable exam. Hence, it becomes very important for you to know about all the opportunities available in the market. So today in this video, I will be discussing about 5 colleges that come under the Delhi University that are available at a lower percentile compared to your IIMs, offer impressive placements and have very less fees compared to your IIMs, hence giving an amazing total return on investment. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with the discussion. The 5th college on the list is the prestigious Shri Ram College of Commerce, known as SRCC. You all might have heard about SRCC, but would have definitely missed out about this course. SRCC offers a specialized program known as Global Business Operations, GBO. The placements for this program are similar to your MBA colleges, so they offer placement across strategy, finance, marketing, business development, IT, HR and operations. According to me, the biggest advantage that you will get here in this college is the brand name of SRCC and the strong alumni network. Talking about the placements, the highest package for this program was 40 lakhs per annum and the average package was 14 lakhs per annum. The total fees for this program is 3.2 lakhs for 2 years, and to get admission into this program you will have to give a separate entrance exam which is similar to CAT, but the difficulty level is a bit lower. So if you are preparing for CAT, then this exam is going to be a cakewalk for you. The total number of seats that they offer is 90, and the application for this exam starts somewhere around first week of December. So after you've given your CAT exam, you should once go and check their website. I have attached the website link in the description, so you can go there and check right now also. Moving to the 4th college on the list. So the 4th college is Delhi School of Economics, DSE. So DSE offers 3 different kinds of MBA. First one is in Human Resource Development, second one is in the International Business domain, and third one is in the Business Analytics domain. The total fees for all of these 3 programs comes under 1 lakh rupees, which I consider is very affordable. To secure admission here, you will have to appear for the CAT exam, and a percentile of about 92 to 94 is a good number to get into this college. Talking about the total number of seats, so all the 3 programs combined have 272 seats in total, which I think is a good number. DSE has a solid placement record, so for the International Business domain, the average package was 14.5 lakhs per annum and the highest package went to 20 lakhs per annum. Similarly, for the HRD program, the highest package was 26.5 lakhs per annum and the average package was 14 lakhs per annum. The Business Analytics course was added in the year 2023, so I don't have the final placement data for that. So if you're aiming to get an MBA in any of these 3 domains, then I think DSE can be a good choice for you. Next up, at number 3 on our list is the Department of Business Economics, or DBE. In this college, you can pursue an MBA in Finance and Economics. The total fee for this course is within 1 lakh rupees, again making it a very affordable choice. The total number of seats that they offer is 198, and the CAT percentile required to get into this college is 88 percentile, which is much lower compared to other colleges. Since the CAT percentile is lower in this case, hence the competition also becomes a little more fierce. The placements of this college are also amazing, with an average package of 15 lakhs per annum and the highest package was 25 lakh per annum. If economics and finance is something that you want to focus on in your career, then you should keep a note of this college. Now, the 2nd college on the list is the Department of Financial Studies, or DFS. This college offers an MBA program in finance. The fees for the program is again around 1 lakh rupees and the total number of seats offered here are 62. So the competition is going to be tough in this case. Also, the CAT percentile required for this college is around 97 percentile. As I was doing my research, I found that the average percentile for last year was 97.5. So if you're getting somewhere around 97 percentile, you can easily get into this college. Now talking about the placements. So placements at DFS were impressive, with the average package of around 15 lakhs per annum and the highest package went to 28 lakhs per annum. So if finance is something that you want to get into, then you should definitely check out this college. And finally, the first college on the list is the Red Building of Dreams. known as the Faculty of Management Studies or FMS. So this college is very prestigious, and everybody who is giving the CAT exam this year or will be giving it the next year should aim for FMS. I have personally known friends who have left IIM A, B and C to get into FMS because of the amazing ROI that it offers. So the average placement was 32 lakhs per annum and the highest placement went to 1.23 crores per annum. But to get into this college, the percentile is also very high. So you'll have to score somewhere around 98.5 to 99.5 percentile to get a call from this college. The combined fees for 2 years for this college is 2 lakh rupees and the total number of seats that they offer is 279. So this ends the list of all the colleges that I wanted to share with you. Another very important point that I would like to mention here is that most of these colleges don't have a hostel. Even if they do have a hostel, then the occupancy rate is very low. So almost everyone stays in PGs or in flats. So I asked my friends that what was their expense for the 2 years. So I got the number of around 4 to 6 lakh rupees for 2 years for their accommodation, their travel, their food, etc. So if you get into any of these colleges, then your total expenses for your studies as well as your living will be somewhere around 7 to 8 lakh rupees, which is a very good number according to me, and the ROI is again amazing. But remember, getting into these colleges will not be very easy. You will have to continuously do hard work and be consistent in your preparation. If you know about other colleges in the Delhi University that you think should be included in the list, then do mention them in the comment. I will try to find out more information about them and let you know. Also, if you want me to make videos on other topics of your interest, then do let me know in the comment section. I will try to make videos on those topics as well. If you feel that my content has added some value to your life, then do like, share and subscribe because that is going to motivate me to make more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.